Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a driving tour of inside the Whitehouse Beach Club. Now, this development is located in Westmoreland. It's located in the district of Whitehouse. Just across the road from here, or a little further down, is Sandals Suncoast. They didn't name it Sandals Whitehouse because they have a Sandals Whitehouse in Montego Bay by the airport. So this area is perfect for building hotels or anything to do with tourism because the beach is so nice. So this development now is perfect for Airbnb. It's different villas. They have 5 different type of villas, and some are finished, some are under construction. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Before we go, I just want to point out that when you do these developments, one of the things you need is a nice beach. Then you need a nice development. These are ultra luxury units. The third thing you need is a highway to get to these developments, especially from the airport if you're catering to tourists. So to get to this development today, there is no highway that takes you directly there from the airport. But the government has plans to build 2 highways that will take you, actually 3 highways, that will take you from all 3 international airports in Jamaica. So the Negril International Airport is going to be built in Negril, and there's going to be a highway from Black River through Whitehouse, where this development is located, to Negril. So you could land at the Negril International Airport and come to this development via a 4-lane highway. In Montego Bay, you have the Sangster International Airport, and they are also building a highway from Montego Bay to Black River, and then from Black River you get on a highway to here. And from Kingston, where you have the Norman Manley International Airport, they are building a highway to take you from Kingston to Black River, and then you can use the other section to get here. So this development, and Whitehouse will have an exit from the highway. So you can access this development via a highway from all 3 international airports in Jamaica. There is another international airport in Montego Bay, but it's not designed to land the big planes. It's more for private charter planes. So the 3 major airports that will land the big planes, the main airports, will have access via highway to this development. It's a very nice development. You can see the place is well maintained. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.